All right, welcome guys to another video on my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to create a dashboard on Excel. You might be, if you have used Power BI before, you might actually find it easy. So we'll just be learning how to create dashboard on Excel. And please guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications on YouTube, so anytime I post a video you guys would see it. And don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting a lot, everything about data. If you want to learn data analysis with Python, with Excel, SQL, Power BI, this is your this is the right place. So that's why I said you should turn on your post notifications. So anytime I post a video you would see it. So let's get started. So for me to get my data, connecting I'll be getting my data from an Excel file. But you can also do this, if you can also do it directly from your Excel file, but I just want to create a connection between my Excel file and this file I'm using. So I'll click on the get data from Excel. It's still loading. Okay, I'll go to my downloads and I'll click on Excel sheet and I'll import and give a few minutes. Okay, so it's here. You can see it has the same interface as Power BI, as the Power Query editor. You can change your format. This is alphabets, but I just want to, everything is okay, so I'll just close and load. So it's loaded. So this is my sheet. So Excel automatically changes it to a table. So I'll be changing this to ID, like a product ID. Now the next thing, I'm going to be creating and adding two columns here. So the first column I'll be adding is the customer rating. You can see on Excel, the alphabets or text, any column that has the text format is always at the left hand side, which you can see here. And every column that has the format of a number has the numbers at the right hand side. So as you can see here, also is the left hand side left. You can also see the product ratings at the right, total reviews right, the price is at the right hand side. So one thing I will be doing is to create another column for customer rating that will carry the text, because if I'm trying to build my dashboard, I need to have I need to more like create create a total number of ratings for 1, for 2, for 3, and I can't do that if the format is in the number format. So I need it to be in the text format, so it can count total number of ratings that is 1, total number of ratings that is 2, 3, 4. So let's do that. So I will name this customer. Okay, the first thing I'll be doing is to create another column here. So right click, insert to my right, and then I'll enlarge and change this to customer rating text. So I'll be using flash fill here. So instead of me writing 1445, so I'll just put 1 here and do this, double click, and then come here and then flash fill, so you can see. And the next thing I'll be doing is to use the if function to create the price category. So I want the category to be, if the price is between $0 to $190, I want it to return I want to use the if function. It's going to return the category. So let's quickly do that. If you don't understand, just hold on, let me do that so you understand better. So insert to my, let me do this, insert to my left. I'll name this column price category. Alright, so the next thing that we'll be doing is the if function. So I'll be doing equals to ifs, because I want to write more than one if you want to write more than one condition, because I have 14.9. I have up to $1,000. So I need to create 200 to 0 to 200, 200 to $400, 400 to $600, 600 to $800, and 800 to $1,000. So I'll be using the ifs function, and I'll be doing this ifs, then the tab key, then I'll click this. If it's less than 200, return $0, return $0 to $200. And again, if the price is greater than 400, is less than 400, sorry, return $200 to $400. Then if the price again is less than 600, return $600 to $800. And if the price again is less than $1,000, and I'll put right into $800 to $1,000. Okay, so I have 0 to $200, $200 to $400. Okay, I think I didn't do 400. This should be 400 to 600. Sorry, should be 400 to 600, and this should be 600. It should be 600. So put this at 600 to 800. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is also to, so next one will be going to be 1,000. Going to put 800 to 1,000. Okay, so I have, if the price is greater than less than 200, say $0 to $200. If the price is less than 400, say $200 to $400. If the price is less than 600, say $400 to $600. If the price is less than 800, say $600 to $800. And if the price is less than 1,000, if the price is less than 1,000, should be $800 to $1,000. So okay, so it's done. This is 0 to 200. You can say 0 to 200, 200 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 1,000. So now we have our the table complete. So the next thing we are going to do is to name this data and name this dashboard. So this is where we'll be creating our dashboard. Creating our dashboard. So the next thing is to create the pivot table. So create it, table range. So before I do that, I'll have to copy all this. Or you can just click on Ctrl A. Or you can just click here. Do the same thing. Then insert pivot table from table range. And don't forget to copy this because we'll be needing it. Then okay. So the reason why I copied it is I want every of my visual to be on this same sheet. Should be on this same sheet, this same table. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, more like I'm creating my card visual, is to have the total number of customer ID. So more like we have the total number of customers. So I'm going to put it here. So I have 592. 592. So the next thing I'm going to be creating, you can see Immediately I click on this new sheet, the pivot chart field, pivot table field is off. So I'll click on insert, then pivot table, and what I copied earlier, I'm going to paste it and then click OK. So you can see we'll continue having the total reviews. Want to see the total reviews? It's 63,642. And the next one is we're going to be checking the price, the total price. Don't forget, paste the total price. So we have $168,270.25. So let me change the formatting. So I'll click on Control 1 and currency. I'll see. Okay, we also change the currency here. Control 1. That's the shortcut for changing the format on Excel. So the next one I'll be doing is also to get the average product rating. Don't forget, insert, pivot table, table range, paste, OK. So I want to get the average product rating. So I'm going to come here and value field settings, and I'll click on my average, and I'm going to get 3.757. So what I'm going to do next is to put everything right into one decimal place. So I'll come to my home button, I click this, I'll click 3.8. So the average product rating for this company is, let's just call it Sony's Enterprise. We're talking about Sony's Enterprise. So we are having their average product rating of their product is 3.8. The average of their product rating is 3.8. All their products. So from here we can really see that, okay, the brands, the phones they are selling, it's not that bad. The reviews are not that bad, really, because they're having 3.8 rating. That means the company is really doing well. So next thing I'm going to be doing is to create another pivot table. I'll paste, click on OK. So what I want to do next is to have my brand. So I have Apple, ASUS, Google, Huawei, Motorola, Nokia, OnePlus, Samsung, Sony, and Xiaomi. So I'm going to untick the blank, and then over it, and then I'm going to get my average rating, product rating. I'm going to click here on my average to get my average here, so we can really see here. So I'm going to this here. Okay, so we can really see that the phone brand with the highest average rating is Xiaomi with 4.4, and the lowest is I think it's Nokia. But I think that's understandable because Nokia is more like they're out of business actually, but we can't really compare them with the rest because they're the superpowers in terms of smartphones. So the next thing is to create a pivot chart. So I'm going to go to pivot table analyze and pivot charts. I'm going to use let me see what I can use. Okay, let me go with this. Okay, let me go with this. So to make it alphabetical order from smallest to largest, I'll okay, summarize values by. I'm going to sort to from smallest to largest. Okay, so we have Xiaomi first, 4.4, and Nokia is the last one, it's the least. So the next thing is to create another pivot table, So I'm going to go to insert and okay, I'll do this, insert pivot table. Don't forget paste. Okay, so now I'm going to add my price category. and product rating. So I'm going to get my average. So, okay, I'm going to take out the blank, take out the blank, and then one decimal place. All right, so this shows us an example that we are going to we are having the price category with the highest number of rating. From here, we can really see that the price between $600 to $800 at the highest average rating. So what we are going to do here is to use the pivot chart we are going to be using is the radar chart. The radar. Or we can, I think we shouldn't use the radar chart. It's not really okay. We can use the area chart. Let's use the area chart. Okay, the next one we are going to use the area chart to get it. Okay, so all right, we'll be okay. I'm just add the labels. So we'll actually work on the other things later when we are going on the dashboard. So let's just continue. So the next thing is to click on the insert pivot table, paste, then okay. Next thing is I'll get the customer rating. Customer rating text. I'm going to click here and get my blank off. Okay. Yeah, customer rating. So I'm going to click on the count of the customer rating. So you can really see the example of what I was showing you earlier, that I have to create the customer rating text. You can see it's having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the main reason why I had to create another column for the customer rating text. So we can really have something like this. If it's not created actually to be a text format, to be a text, we don't really have something like this. Rather, we have something like this. It's going to count everything all together. But if you put it as a text, then it's going to segregate and differentiate them. That, okay, this is one, this is different, two is different. We're having like, so number one, actually, we're having like number one is A, number two is B, number three is C, number four is D, and number five is E. So we're trying to have, okay, the order to that number of A's we have, which is here, is actually one. Also to the number of B's we have, which is actually two. So I hope you understand that. So actually, so here we'll be using the pivot chart. We'll be using the radar chart here. So okay, this is perfect. So here we can really see that, okay, 0.5 we have 270, 1 we have 175, and we'll quickly confirm from here, and 0.4 rating 4 we have 72. So we're really moving. We're moving. So the next thing we are going to do is to create another chart. Insert pivot table. I was actually looking for it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to, okay, I'll put this, okay, I'll just leave it like that. Reduce this. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is to check our rows, the brands. I'm going to take off my blank. Okay, take off my blank. And now I have my customer rating text. I'm going to have my customer rating. Okay, where are you? Alright, so it's going to be count. So we have 592. So we have for Apple, the total number of people that rated it, that give the rating 1 was 23. So from here we can really see that Apple had 30 people rated it 5, and we have Samsung people rated 108, 5, and 104. So we can really see that Samsung has some rating issues actually. So we can really see here, and for ASUS we can really see that there's no actual rating for 2 and 3. So, and also for Huawei, we can really see that there's no rating for 2. So this is just a way of analyzing their brands and their rating. So this is another example view. If you are downloading on Google Play Store, or Google Play Store, if you're downloading a game or an app, you might want to see the number of ratings. You see something like rating 5. You see like a bar, like a progress bar showing, okay, this game is has people rated it more. People rated it 5 more than 2 than 3. So from there you can really see, oh yeah, this game is loved by all. This game is bad. No, so you can really see that from there. So this is just exactly what we are doing here. So let's see what I can use. Okay, let me use a stacked column. So can you stack off? So here we can really see the legend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can really see here. Point 30 is Apple. Xiaomi is 34, 4, 5, and Samsung can really see 104. And so we are done. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So on my dashboard, I'm going to be creating five um, five columns, or five tabs where I'll be putting my column. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to my view and take off my grid lines. I'm going to go to my insert. I'm going to insert my shape, this. So shape fill, I'll be using this. Let me use this. Okay, so effects preset, and this text fill, and put it as blue. So I'll be writing, like I said earlier, we have Sony's phone rating, and as you can actually name it anything you want. You can name it anything you want. Oh, let me just take off the rating. I think that's bad grammar. We'll sort. Let's see if we can do this. Make it bold. Okay. So I think I'll make it bigger more. 16. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to create shape. This one like a design or something. My shape fill. Okay, effects preset. This. Okay, we'll create another. Just follow me the way I'm doing it, so you won't um, shapes. Okay. Okay, so control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm just trying to 1, 2, 3. So for Power BI, you might notice that they have the lines to make sure they are straight, but Excel is totally different. So you have to use your eyes to actually get the right, to know if they're properly aligned. Okay, it's okay like this. All right, so I think we're good to go. We put this like this and shift this here. Okay, I'll put this. Okay, so I'm going to be adding another shape to actually name. Okay, shape fill effects. So copy, paste, 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 and paste. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going off. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge it to here and here and here. I think is off. Okay, and here. All right, so we're moving. We're good to go. Actually, so this is we're going to be putting our total products. Is going to be here. So I'm just going to click on equals to our products. Enter. Control C. Control V. Let me take this off first. Equals to oh sorry equals to no, I don't want it to do this. Okay, let me just do for this equals to the total reviews. Okay, the reason why I'm trying to do this is so if I include my slicer, I would have to do it to make a change to it. That's why I'm doing like this. The formula is missing a range of we're defining. You shouldn't be putting this. Okay, so you're going off this, you're going off. No, no, not. Sorry, just trying to get. So the next thing we'll be doing is to add. So let me just. All right. Uh, okay. So like I said earlier, the reason why I am trying to put this is so if I click the slicer here, it's going to affect every of the buttons. So I'm going to click on this. So I don't think yours will be showing get pivot data because I deleted what I did first. So here I'm going to click on 4. So the reason why I'm clicking 4 is because this is showing 4. So you can see A4. So I'm going to enlarge. So let's make it bold and shape format. I think it's let me see, images as black. So I'm going to come here and insert the shape. So I'm going to click this format painter. So you can see it's going to make the same changes here. If I don't want to really create this again, I'll just click on the format painter and everything that is done here is going to show. So I'm going to click on total. It can be total product or total customers, any it. So make it in the middle, make it bold. I think let me just put it as 12. Okay, so text field, and put it as blue. Some so let me know the colors I'm using. Blue, and this is black. Okay, so the next one is I'm going to be using my total reviews. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Total reviews, keyboard, put it in the middle, shape format, text field to blue. Alright, so I'm going to equals my total reviews. Okay, forgot. Let me take off this get pivot data. Okay, so it's hiding itself at the top left corner. So I would increase. I think it's okay like this. I think this is 20. Okay, let me put this as also 20. And okay, so bring the total reviews and put it right here. All right, so the next one is total price, or let's just say revenue, or let's just say total price. Let's say total price. Total. Okay, make it bold, put it in the middle, and text field to blue. So I'm going to be doing equals to is 10. Actually, it's hiding here. So I'm going to 20. I'm watching it here. 20. Okay, yeah, then make this bold. Okay, this is bold already. It's not really given. Okay, it's bold. It's bold. So total price. Now the next one is average product rating. Okay, shape text field. Make it as blue and put it in the middle. Okay, so this is the last one I'll be doing, and then equals to E13. So yours might not show the get pivot data. I did something out of, so I deleted what I did, so yours might not show this get pivot data. But so don't be scared. And if it shows it, you can see what I'm doing. So here we go. So we have 20. Make it bold. Okay, this is average product rating. Okay, so we are almost done. We're almost done. So the next thing is to bring this in. So I'm going to Control X. I'm going to cut it and then put it here. I'm going to get the data labels, and I'm going to take off some things here at the this. So I'll take this off, take this off, take this off, and take this off. I'll also take off the grid lines, charts tied to the legend. Sorry. Okay, so we have something good. All right, so I can the design of the format. I could change the shape field to this. Yeah, it's not bad. All right, so the text field, just make it black. Oh, I think it's this black. Can make it bold. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we're good to go. We are moving. We are moving. Brands with highest. So I'm gonna make it bold, the middle, and text field. So I'm making all my titles. I'm making them blue, and this is not still filling. It's not giving the dark. It's not that bold. Maybe because it's, oh yeah, not light calibre. All right. So yeah, as data analyst, you need to be thorough with your dashboard to make sure nothing is off. So next one, I'm gonna cut this. Control X is a shortcut to cut on Excel. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Good buttons, take this off, take this off, take this off, and take this off, and take the grid lines off, the legend off, the chart title off. What else? What else? Okay, good. This is not bad at all. Okay, and just format text field. I think I used black. I made it bold. Yes. Okay. Price and rating relationship. Okay, an average rating. So don't forget, make it bold, shape format, blue, and put it at the center. Okay, and don't forget this shape fill. Uh, this. All right. So the third is this is radar. Control X and dashboard. Put it here and hey. So my field buttons. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off and take this off. And take my uh, legend off and chart title. Okay, the text field black and bold. My shape field is this. So my title, I'm going to put it as the top rating customers with top rating. Customers with or top ratings among customers. So make it bold, put it in the middle. Shape format text field to blue. Yes. Okay. So it's we're moving. So this is done. So the last one is this. Control X. So this just maybe you can have different data. Actually, this is just something that I'm just using. So okay, let me take some things off. The grid lines. Uh, the okay. Come here. Field buttons. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. And take this off. Okay. So the format text field is black and bold, and also the shape field is this. I don't actually. So we can see a problem here. We can see that the rating 3 is having the same color with my shape field. So what do I do? Simple. Just go to design. I'm going to change my color and let me see this. Okay, I think I love this. I think I love this. Okay. See, see this. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think this is okay. I think this is okay. So we can only see that the thicker the color, the lower the rating. So as you can see here, so I can just say product rating distribution. Product, yes. Okay, so make it bold, put it at the center, and text field to blue. Yes. So perhaps my color is not merging. You could actually check it out. So it's just to show you how dashboard is created on Excel. So nothing more. So okay, okay. I think it's okay. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to add our slicer. Insert slices. I want to add my brand and my price category. So I'm going to put it here and okay. So I have so if I click on Nokia, I'm having so you can see nothing is changing. So the reason is that I need to create connection. So click here and right click, report connections. I want it to make a so pivot table 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 has been ticked already. So that's this. Then 6, 7, and 8. So you can see everything is changing. The total product is 37,000 for Huawei. No, so let me choose Nokia. Total Nokia is 35. Let me choose Xiaomi. Blank. It's nothing. So I think that should be off, but no problem. So Xiaomi, this price category. So just all right. So we are done. This is uh, this is the dashboard. So if, it just depends on if you want to change the color, if you want to change something else, you can actually do that. So you're free. You can do anything you want to actually do. You can change the color. You can change the name. So it's just to show you how it's done. So you can export. I think you should be able to export as PDF or change. So uh, you can actually save it or snip it or use your snipping tool to snip it out. So you can use your snipping tool to just snip everything. So you can see. So if you want to share it on maybe your LinkedIn or something, but just make sure this is not there. Sorry, I made a mistake. Make sure this just stop typing here to bring your features is not there. So I'm going to cancel this and nah, I'm not trying. So we have come to the end of the video. So please, guys, don't forget to share this video, share it, like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so anytime I post a new video, you guys are gonna get the update. And if you have any if you want to discuss, you could just reply. I'm gonna turn on my comment section so you can just tell me if I made a mistake somewhere, if something is not working. You can just tell me, and if I made a mistake, if you want to add, if you want to subtract, you're free to do it. So thank you guys, and later, bye bye.